Welcome to the Omnidots video tutorial in which you learn how to set up your account by creating a measuring point. Adding a swarm to your Honeycomb account is done by creating a new measuring point. Using this measuring point, you get access to all of what Honeycomb has to offer for your swarm. It works best if you create a measuring point for each location where the swarm measures. So, when the swarm moves to another building, create a new measuring point. First, click on Measuring Point in the top menu. On this page, fill in all of the fields. Start with the swarm information. Follow by filling in the location of the measuring point. Fill in the alert settings. Fill in the alarm reception settings. Now fill in your swarm settings. And finally, your swarm's measuring schedule. You have now successfully created a measuring point in Honeycomb. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please check our frequently asked questions or click on the chat at omnidots.com if you have any questions.